Hello there again, this is Ramon back in another overview of quantity tracking system for construction companies. Keep up their records organized and standardized entries for easy analysis, no missing payments, all your information on one location. Today we're gonna go over doing entries, actual entries for quantities. You can go either two ways. You can go the main quantity menu, or just we have a shortcut on the dashboard. That way, if you're just gonna do an entry, you don't have to even look here. You just go boom, straight out create a record. Also for the mobile version, once you open this on your mobile web browser, the first thing you just click on create record, and boom, you're gonna go right there. That saves time. So here we have information required for new record, which project you're doing the record for. Here we just have one project, but you can have multiple projects with their own items. See, we're gonna do some pile driving. We have cast in place piles, measure on linear foot, all the information for the item description, unit of measurement. You have two codes assigned to it. You can have the river cage for piles, or how many piles you've driven, linear feet. Who did the work? You have a pile driver subcontractor. In this case is the pile driving company. Where was this work done, performed? It was located at the pier. Did you measure the quantity with any inspectors? Yeah, Johnny Depp was there. When was this work performed? It was done on June 4th, 2020, today. And how many linear feet? Let's say 450 linear feet of pile driving happened today. Depending on your spec or on your claiming scheme, or how the agency pays it, you can claim, you're just expecting a percentage of that. Let's say in this case you're just expecting 100% of it. You have your quantity pay. Let's say your inspector just paid 430 for any reasons. What date they made the entry? Let's say was on the 5th. And you got that quantity, that payment. Just gonna put up description. Also what happened on the work. Say initial pile driving at pier 1. Let's say piles number 10 through 23. Just to make it clear, if you come back in a year, you want to understand what happened. Something funny here, you see you measure 450, you get just paid 430. You can, if you're sure of your measurement, you can just mark it as a discrepancy. That way it's easier for you to go back and check on that payment. If you don't have time to deal with it at the moment, just go back, check your discrepancies. I'll show you the filters later, and yeah, you will see you can filter discrepancies. Notes, any notes like it was a raining day, pile machine broke. This is not the work performed, but this is just a generic note for yourself in the future. You want to see what actually happened, and why the production maybe was too low, too high. Just generic note there. You can attach a picture, you can attach files. In this case you can go to desktop. I have a document with information, and also you have a picture of what's going on there. Just hit next and we'll see it was uploaded. Now you do your next quantity. If you want to do a new quantity, we don't want to do any new quantities. That's it, one quantity. That takes us to our main quantity. We look for that quantity we just did. There it is. I'm going to check on that quantity. Here's your entry. You mark out the discrepancy, entry here, pile description, pile driver, any notes. The file here, you just download, say this happened a year ago, you want to see what was going on. Boom, you have your pile driver, you see what was the condition of the day. Of course, wasn't raining here. Yes. What was the description? Who did it? If you want to make any updates, you can always go back and update your previous entries. That's it this time. I will go back in another video to go over filters. Thank you.